Kingdom Millionaire mentor Ike Ikoku with Kingdom Millionaire Institute here to show some love to the teenagers by sharing some insights on teen jobs and hustles to make money both online and offline. You know, as a teenager, there are few feelings that are better than knowing that you are making your own money, that you're earning your own keep, so to speak, and that as you make that money, you can spend it on whatever it is that you want, even without having to ask your parents' permission as to what it is that you want to spend that money on. That air of independence that you feel from earning your own spare change is a very refreshing one. But getting to that place where you have independent earnings requires a level of maturity and discipline that, in my experience, far too many teenagers are not fully ready for or fully aware of. You see, a lot of jobs that you may work at may actually be quite time consuming, very labor intensive, not to mention tiring. And the pay that you may actually get compensated for the work that you do, a lot of times it may feel like it's not even worth the effort that you're putting in. But rest assured that that feeling of independence that you get from earning your own kizash makes it all well worth it. Now, if you find that you are highly motivated, money-driven, and very interested in earning money on your own, know that you are not alone. Scores and scores of teenagers are looking for ways to earn money online and offline to cover a lot of their ancillary school expenses, as well as have some extra cash on hand at high school games. Why? So that you can buy that girl that you've had an eye on something nice and something sweet at the concession stand. Now, to help you experience the independence that comes from your own earnings, here are some ideas to earn income and make extra money that I'd like to share with you. A couple of ways to make money online includes creating YouTube videos as well as freelancing. So let's get started talking a little bit about YouTube videos. You know, YouTube is a social media platform that allows you to generate a steady income online. Now, while many people hop on that platform to maybe watch their favorite artist's new music video, there are still many others who are earning the equivalent of a college degree with a lot of the educational content that's provided on that platform, as well as a host of other people that are making incredible amounts of side hustle kizash with their YouTube hustle. And by creating unique content in the form of videos, YouTube, as a teenager, can earn some extra money online. You know, it's quick and it's easy to establish an account and start uploading videos. Creating unique content can help you build your subscriber base. And once you've built up a good subscriber base, that puts you in the driver's seat to now start earning money through ads. And by adding promotional links to the unique content that you feature in your videos, you can also earn money through what's called affiliate marketing, by getting compensated for every sale that occurs from people who click on those promotional links that are embedded within your videos or your descriptions that you have up on YouTube. The next one I wanted to talk about is what's called freelancing. And the point here is simply this. You know, a lot of the things that you may consider to be a hobby are things that you could easily get compensated for through freelancing. A short list of things that freelancers routinely get compensated for include things like web graphic design, copywriting, content creation, social media management, ad campaign development, as well as other online industry-specific researches. You know, when it comes to making money offline, there are no shortages of opportunities there as well. I mean, you can consider everything from babysitting the kids in your neighborhood to walking the dogs for some of the parents that live in your neighborhood, to tutoring some of your cohorts and other kids that you go to school with that maybe need a little bit of help with their math or their science projects. You could even consider career counseling. I mean, you could identify sales jobs. There are photography jobs that you could take on. You could do like I did. You could throw a newspaper out. I mean, you could be a pizza delivery boy. I mean, you could help Cleaning houses. There are assortment of cleaning jobs that you can take on. You could work at the local movie theater. And last but not least, you can certainly help out with the lawn, whether it's through maintenance or simply mowing the lawn. These are all great opportunities that could help you earn some extra cash offline. Now, there you got it. That's Ike's short list of teen jobs and hustles to help you make money both online and offline. You know, my oldest child will be a teenager later on this year. So if you found some other neat ways for them to make money, drop a comment below and let me know, will you? All right. Look forward to hearing and seeing what you have to say. Take care and God bless.